Classification of flower and its parts and about its family and the process of reproduction which takes place inside it. Okay, so this is a flower which is in common language in Hindi it's called Semal, and in common we called it the red cell cotton plant, and in scientific name it's called Bombax ceiba. This is from family of Malvaceae or called Bombaxi. Bombax is its genus, and it's from kindred plantae. So this grows on the Asian tropical tree which has a straight tall trunk and its leaves are deciduous in winter. It produces a capsule which when ripe contains flower, a white fiber like a cotton. About the reproductive part of a flower and its common parts, flower contains two parts, a male reproductive part and a female reproductive part, and other parts like petals, sepals and peduncle are other parts which help the flower non directly in a process of reproduction. This colorful petals, it does not help in reproduction directly, uh, but it attracts the insect toward the flower, which sit on the pollen grains and stick them in their feet. And this part is called peduncle, which give a posture to the flower body. Green portions of flower are called sepals, which do not help the flower in reproduction. And if we see here, so this are called pollen grains. It's a newly pollen grains, and this is called a filament, and this is called anther, which is a male reproductive. So this is complete a male reproductive part which have a filament and an anther. Anther is contained of pollen grains, which is the main part which convert into a seed. This is stigma, where the pollen grains sticks at the time of reproduction. When any insect or any butterfly or any type of insect come and sit here, and the pollen grains which sticks on its feet goes inside it. This is called style. From it went to the ovary, which looks something like this. This is called the whole female reproductive part. While cutting the ovary, from inside it looks something like this. We can say that here is something ovule. The part which is called ovule are present inside it, which only converts in a whole flower after the whole reproduction done. So this was about the flower's reproductive part. So in our thrice, we can see that a flower contains about the part which is a female and a male part. Female are stigma, style, and ovary, which is commonly with a in a group. It's called pistil, a group of dinoecium, and the male is called anther and filament, which together called stamen. And the other unnecessary part, these are necessary, but this do not participate in reproduction directly, are peduncle, sepal, and a petal. Okay, this was about the flower.